Good morning from a secret place.
Morning, secret place.
I look pretty rough. I'll look better later. This is how you do breakfast. That's Lucky Charms. That's one big breakfast. Get your pile of sausage on there. This was breakfast trail magic. This is the lobby of the Sawtell Resort. This is the pool room at the Sawtell Resort. Unattended children become snacks for Yogi and Boo Boo.
Hey, boo boo. Wow.
Oh, the showers. Oh, my showers. Shower for me, a shower for you.
Getting in here.
Typo alert, typo alert. It's in the pool. I'm wearing towels because laundry's being done and you gotta wash everything. So, towels. Highlight is talking to her parents about my videos right now.
And my dad wants to buy you a beer, so
Oh!
you can get a shout out.
Oh yeah, next beer. Shout him out.
Hey Dad, I'm on the phone with you right now. She's recording. This is so weird.
This is Robin's Roost, where I was last night. Now I get my resupply. Back at Subway after I did my resupply because gotta have as many vegetables as possible. Say hi to Carmen. Say hi to Carmen. Hi, puppy.
Your cabin will just collapse. Right. Like there was another house that took me all day, but they charged them $1,400. That one I had.
Road walking. Road walking. Oh, the road. Road walking. Those guys are just by me. What is this wool? And then I see an arrow saying, go this way. Weird. Well, I'm off the road into a creepy, twisty forest. What is the meaning of these speed bumps? Why do they have these? I'm very confused by why these things are in the middle of the road. CDT speed bumps complete. I've now reached the end of the max in alt. Back on the official CDT. I'm single track. It is 8 o'clock and the sun is disappearing. So I should start looking for a place to set up. I need to find somewhere within the next 1.2 miles because otherwise I'll cross over into Yellowstone and I don't have a permit. So I don't want to be breaking any federal laws as a Canadian visitor. So somewhere in the next 20 minutes or so. I cannot proceed any further. Yellowstone National Park boundary line. CDT thing, trail goes up there. So legally, I can come back here. And I was hoping, and I hoped right, found a flat campsite. You can't even see it.